guys, so today's spooky tutorial is on this horror look. I basically did just missing eyes and a weird mouth. I don't even know, it's just a horror look. So if you want to see how I create this look, then just keep watching. I applied the Tarte foundation all over the face. I just buffed it out even so that we can have a natural even base. And then I'm going in with the Suva Beauty Hydra liner, and the name of it is Grease, and I love this eyeliner. I've been using it for everything. It's super dark and amazing. It's matte as well, so I love it. Anyways, I'm applying this all over the eyes. I outlined in a circle around the eyes so that it can look nice and even, and it could look hollow. So what I'm doing is applying the eyeliner all over the eye. And then I'm going to be taking eyeshadow, a matte black eyeshadow. I don't show that here because it cut off, but yeah, I did that as well. So then I'm taking liquid latex and I'm drawing basically the mouth parts of the look. And then I'm applying tissue on top. I break just a regular tissue, I break a piece of it, and then I apply it, and I apply latex on top as well. And then I apply another layer of the tissue, just so that it can look give that effect of nasty skin. So then I'm going to be applying foundation on top of that to give it that natural look again. And then I'm going in with the Mehron blood, coagulated blood. And yeah, I'm applying that on the eyes and also on the mouth area. On the eyes so that it can look like my eyes are bleeding. And then on the mouth because, yeah, it's horror. You need blood, blood, blood. Then I'm taking a plum eyeshadow and I'm going to be applying it on the areas of the eyes and mouth so that it can give that effect of bruise-like. And then I'm going to be making some lines down the neck so it looks like I'm suffering, I'm scratching myself, I can't see, that type of effect. And yeah, that's basically it. This look is super simple to achieve. It's super easy. All you need is blood, liquid latex, some eyeliner, and that's it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you next time.